Hey boys and girls, welcome to Art Recycled with Mrs. Hollemeyer. Today we are going to make a really easy and fun craft. We are going to make a butterfly or a moth from a coffee filter, a clothespin, and some pipe cleaners or chenille stems. And you just need maybe a little bit of black marker for the face, but other than that, this doesn't require any glue, it doesn't require any tape. You may want paints to paint your coffee filter. Otherwise, the other option for your coffee filter is to use Crayola markers and then just use a little bit of water and get it wet. And the dye from the markers will bleed like this, and then let it dry. I'm just gonna fast forward through this because it's so simple and easy, and I hope you have fun making it this summer. See you later.